Lizard. Okay, you guys, we're just gonna have to say lizard for the next hour until James comes back. And we're done. Lizard.
Pop.
Mop. Mop. Okay, I need you to go through every single button and see what's still working. And go.
Oh no.
Pa, ha, pa, pa. Ha, pa, pa, da, ga, da. Pa. Pa, ha, pa, 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 ha, pa, pa, pa.
So this is one button, right?
Okay, now for pitch 2.
Is that it?
That was just page 2.
I haven't even started the music yet.
I don't know if I can handle it anymore. It was so stressful. And the next hour is just brought to you by the buttons.
Too many buttons back there.
That's a lot of buttons. Oh!
Oh yeah.
Goody. Replace the cushions. Yeah, that sounds like reverse.
That's the reverse. It's the reverse rotate the cushion song. Reverse number one.
But they're already right.
Oh.
Well, mostly.
Put the cushions back.
There you go.
I actually can't play multiple musics at the same time because we actually have the configure to turn one off when the next music one plays.
It's probably for the best.
Yes, absolutely.
We removed that from the sound effects though.
Excellent.
James is back.
James, you missed all the sounds.
I love sounds.
Well, there were a lot of them.
Roll them back!
Alright, we'll do it again.
Just from the top. We were just making sure we knew if all the buttons were working.
That's important.
And I really appreciate the QA that goes into it. Thank you, Andre. It's important work that you were doing.